Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I am pretty certain that a lot of men will be thinking that if they could relive life again, they would like to live life as Ned Nwoko. Guys, I bring you this. Billionaire businessman Ned Nwoko and his Moroccan wife celebrate their son on his third birthday. So now this is a birthday celebration for a 3-year-old boy. Mommy and daddy are there, of course. Who is mommy? A beautiful Moroccan lady from the northern parts of Africa. And who is the daddy? The daddy of them all, the husband of them all, Ned Nwoko, no less a person, Mr. Regina Daniels. So there's a video clip as well, by the way. Watch on, so you see a little snippet of this birthday celebration. Regina Daniels was there, so that's the spoiler. But again, the headline: billionaire businessman Ned Nwoko and his Moroccan wife celebrate their son on his third birthday. So now let's now see now what this birthday celebration is all about. Actually, let me insert the video before we carry on. So that was the video. So now the caption is quite short because the video and the pictures are the real narrative, but here is the short caption. Billionaire businessman Ned Nwoko and his Moroccan wife Liala celebrated their son Sultan as he turned 3 on Tuesday, August the 4th. The couple held a small party for him at their Abuja home. Actress Regina Daniels, who is one of Ned's wife, attended the party. See more pictures. So it's really the pictures, as I said. And what a picture, by the way. Look at what this guy is enjoying, for goodness sake. I mean, just look at that. Look at the picture, especially with Regina Daniels and the Moroccan babe. And look at the guy that is commanding them all. This Humpty Dumpty looking sort of a guy. Look how big the smile on his face is. But then, of course, if you are jollophing the way he is jollophing, will the smile on your face not be as big as that? A light-hearted one is just to flash this up, really. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Then come join me in the comment section and tell me if you'd like to live the life of our Ned Nwoko or not. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.